Ito po, nagluto tayo ng kari-kari ngayon. Ang kari-kari ko po ay buntot ng baka. Oxtail. Beef oxtail with peanut sauce, with veggie, eggplant, bok choy, and green beans. This is our traditional dishes in the Philippines. It's called kare-kare. Over here, I call it peanut stew. Paluto na. Peanut stew. See.